Yeah, what's good, y'all? Welcome to another Chopper video. Today, I actually ran across a deal, and I wanted to show you guys what it is that I found, and I'm gonna pick up. So, I actually found some wheels for the green coupe for a great price, and they look like they in good condition. I mean, they a little dirty, but I'm going to check them out. I'm riding all the way to Long Island to check them out. I'm going to see if they're in good condition for the price, so I could pick them up, and I guess we're going to put them on the coupe. I did want to get a different type of wheel, but since these came up on a great deal for this price, and the tires, they look pretty good too from the pictures. Let's see when I get there in person. But I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try this look. I'm going to see how they look on the car. And I'll let y'all let me know what y'all think about them. So they 15-inch. So I'm taking y'all with me. I'm gonna jump on the highway and hit the road and go check them out. I'll show y'all the rims when I pick them up, if I pick them up. So I think I'll pick them up though. Let's see at the end of the video what happens. See y'all in a little bit. Got my guy coming with me. Guy Wee Wee. Yo, what's up?
Yo,
Why you smiling, boy? Yo, grab your Wendy's right there. I treat my friends good. I bring them Wendy's
good
for
looking.
the road trip and all that, huh?
Good looking.
Ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Yo, my boy got the Tommy Hilfiger jacket. Okay.
That's
Yo,
it.
we out of here. All right, y'all. So I got the rims here in the trunk of my car, and they're actually pretty mint. They got a few scratches here and there. They used, but I got them here. The tires look good, and let me show you guys. Come on. Check them out. So this is what I bought here. I bought some Rhoda slipstreams, aluminum. This is like the aluminum finish. I had the black ones on Big Red, but for the green car, I don't think the black will look all that good. So I found these for a deal, and I was like, let me pick them up, Can't do me no wrong. And if later on, if I don't like them, I'll just sell them again. I'll sell them to someone else that might want them. But what we're getting ready to do now is, we came over here, my man Wee Wee. We came to this like a car wash type of thing. And I'm going to just wash them off real good because they got a lot of brake dust. And I want to really clean all of this and see exactly what they're looking like. So, you guys see the back? So dirty. I'm going to try to get all this clean and show y'all the finished result in a little bit. The rims came out like brand new. I mean, they got stuff on them, like I said, but we just finished washing them right now, and they look a whole lot better. The little imperfections they got, I'm gonna show you right now. Once it's on the car, it's not really gonna stand out that much. But who knows? Maybe later on, I get them powder coated a different color. I'm just gonna try this polished look on the car. If I don't like it, I either powder coat it or I actually get different rims, sell these. You guys know the deal. So let me show you guys what it's looking like. Woo. They came out really clean for the little bit of effort that we put in. So, see they got some like imperfections right here. But this is only like one of the rims. These over here, they really mint over here. So, and the tires are pretty good. So they got a lot of meat left to them. They Nito 205, 50, 15 tires. So let me show you guys the back. I checked all the backs. They're not bent or cracked. So that's a big thing with me. I mean, they could be a cheap rim, but I don't really want to deal with no bent or cracked rim. You know what I'm saying? Stay away from that. If I was you guys, if you're gonna buy something, even if it's used or cheap, try to get something that's in decent enough conditions. What I'm gonna need from you guys is, let me know what lug nuts I should do on that, in the comments below. Let me know what color lug nuts. And let me know what you guys think about the aluminum finish. But listen to this, whenever you build in a car, never be ashamed to buy like used parts or think you gotta buy things brand new. Brand new is a blessing. I could have bought brand new rims. I just jumped on these because of the opportunity. So sometimes opportunities present themselves where you can make a car look better just by spending a few dollars. And you know if you don't like the rims, you know you can sell them and still make your money right back. So whenever building your cars, always keep that in mind. And as far as the green coupe, I'm trying to keep that car on a budget also. So I'm trying to show people, you know, you could make a car look good and not have to spend a massive amount of money, you know what I'm saying? So that's also what I'm trying to do. So always be on the lookout for like used parts and nice stuff, and you run into opportunities, but you must be patient. If you're not patient, then that's not for you. Let me show you guys the rims one more time, and let me know what y'all think. There you go. I think this is gonna complement the green real nice. And I got you guys know I got the aluminum Blackworks rear LCAs, the rear brace, the rear tie bar. So I think the polished look with the black is gonna do it good, because some of these come polished, but they're polished all the way through. The rotor ones, they're polished in the front, and then from here on back is black, so it gives it like a dark look in there, so you only see the faces. And that's really what I like about these. I can't wait to put them on. I'm gonna do another vlog of me putting the rims on. I'll probably take them to get like rotated and balanced, so just to make sure everything is okay with them. I don't want no vibration like on the highway or anything like that. So on the next vlog, what I'm gonna be doing is putting the rims on, and I know for sure I'm gonna have to adjust the suspension on the car. So I'm gonna have to lift the car up, put the rims on. I'm gonna put them on first, see how low it looks, but I'm almost certain I'm gonna have to lift the car up. Once I do all of that, I'm gonna see if I get a chance to spray the front calipers. So when you have the front rims on, it looks nice and clean with the rotor, you know, that type of look. So, but yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I love every single one of y'all. I know this was a good short video, and next vlog we're gonna put the rims on. So I'll see y'all on the next one. It's Chopper out of here.